guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to make a carrot cake. For this, we are going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius and grease the pan with butter and flour. Now you are going to need 3 eggs, half a cup of oil, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 1 carrot, 1 spoon of baking powder, and 1 pinch of salt. This recipe is to be made in blender, so we are beat the eggs in blender for 3 minutes. Then we are going to add the oil and mix again. Now add the carrots and mix. Add the sugar. Lastly, we are adding the flour, pinch of salt and baking powder. Now pour the batter into the pan. And bake about for 40 minutes. For frosting, we need 4 spoons of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1 spoon of butter, 4 spoons of chocolate powder. Put in a saucepan. Turn on the fire and mix until it thickens. Put the frosting on the cake and serve.